Hi guys, with another video. This is the motherboard I took away from the window computer, 4 of them, and I just wanna show you. Each one is a little different than the others. So, like RAMs are comes here, and yeah, and this motherboard has a 4 RAM slot, as you see. Other one has the same thing, 4 of them here. Each one is made differently, but it's everything similar of some place. Little different each motherboard, not too much. Little bit of difference. This is look at this, and let's go the other one. Little different. Yeah. As you see the other one, let's go. As you see, as I said, each one has a little difference. Yeah, this is the other one. Right. As you see. Now. There's the battery inside. And let's see, the other one has a battery right there. Has another. Let's see the other one right there. Has a battery. Let's go the other one. I don't see the battery. Oh, how come this doesn't have battery? Let's see. Yeah, I don't see the battery. Okay, let's look again. Oh, sorry, I think that's the place, right? Let me see. Yeah, that's the place. Yeah, I think I took it away, the battery. This is like right here. So as you see, overall this 4 different computer has a little different motherboard, and size are, I think it's same. If this comes here. Okay, size are same, but little is different place they put each thing. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video.